Do not scroll past this video. If you are reading this right now, you have approximately 17 hours to grab the one AI tool that can change your business forever for only $27. This is the Black Friday offer for InstaDoodle, the software that creates high-converting videos. Imagine being able to create stunning videos that engage your audience and drive sales. With InstaDoodle, you don't need to be a tech wizard or a video editing expert. The process is simple and intuitive, allowing anyone to create professional quality videos in minutes. But you need to act fast. This exclusive price is going up by $1 every 24 hours. That means in just one day, the price could be $28 and keep rising. Hello, I'm Mahmouda Jody from Digital Wealth Blueprint. If your videos are failing to convert, the problem is simple: animated explainer videos are hard to create. Getting a freelancer costs hundreds. Using complicated software takes weeks to learn. But without these videos, your conversion rate stays low. You need a solution that simplifies complex ideas and increases sales by up to 80%.
45,000 creators ditched expensive designers for this 3-click animation tool. The secret weapon they're all using? InstaDoodle, an AI-powered whiteboard animation platform that's changing everything. Here's why this is the only tool you need to get sales now. First, the Doodle AI engine means you don't need any design skills whatsoever. Simply paste your text, and Doodle AI does the rest. Second, explainer videos are proven to increase your sales rate by up to 80%. The AI text-to-video feature lets you write a simple prompt, and the AI generates your doodle elements and video studio-grade quality in just 3 clicks. Plus, the new update allows you to create engaging color videos, making your content pop even more. While others struggle with complex design software or pay thousands for designers, you can create professional whiteboard animations in minutes. That's why 45,000 creators have already made the switch.
Listen closely. This software is your key to success. You know that explainer videos are proven to generate sales. Now, let's talk about the price and the deadline. Normal price stands at $117. However, we are offering a limited-time Black Friday price of just $27. But hurry, the clock is ticking. The price will increase by $1 every 24 hours until Black Friday officially starts. That means if you wait until tomorrow, you will pay $28. The day after, it will rise to $29. Why hesitate? Stop letting your content suffer and your sales stagnate. This is a one-time payment for a powerful tool that grants you unlimited video creation forever. You literally cannot afford to wait any longer. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment right now to lock in the $27 price. Take full advantage of this Black Friday deal before the price jumps again. This special offer will not last forever. Grab InstaDoodle now and transform your video creation process. Imagine what this software can do for your business. Stand out from the competition and watch your sales soar. Remember, every moment wasted is money lost. Don't be the one that misses out on this opportunity. With just one payment, you will have access to unlimited video creations. Use this tool to elevate your content game. Create engaging videos that captivate your audience and convert viewers into customers. Join countless others who have transformed their approach with this software. Subscribe to Digital Wealth Blueprint for more insights and strategies to boost your business. See you on the inside where success awaits you.